Wel, mae'r gwobrau yma'n holl bwysig i bobl dros Gymru gyfan ac mae'n ffordd i ni'n gallu dathlu pobl yma yng Nghymru ar gwaith maen nhw'n wneud.
Mae mor bwysig dweud, da iawn, diolch, a jyst cael gwybod i'r bobl yna cymaint ni'n gwerthfawrogi beth maen nhw wedi wneud ac yn parhau i wneud.
To be nominated is amazing. It makes me feel proud.
Nice fuzzy feeling really to be nominated by people you've worked with for years.
It's nice to be recognised, it's nice to be appreciated, and an award like this does exactly that. It just puts a spotlight on them for the good work that they do, and more importantly, encourages others to do the same.
Oedd o'n surprise mawr bod ni'n cael nomineiddio ac yn anrhyder mawr hefyd, achos da chi'n meddwl o'r eich gwaith bob dydd bod rhywbeth fel hyn yn mynd i ddigwydd i chi. Oedd o just yn anhygoel, really.
Definitely nominate people. It's a really proud feeling because it's about Wales and it's connecting people within Wales.
You can simply do it online, a short form, and anyone can nominate anyone they want. So do it now.
If anyone has anyone at all that they want to nominate for this, then they absolutely should, because it's such a special, such a meaningful thing to be nominated for.
Nomineidiwch rhywun rwan achos mae'n mynd i newid bywyd rhywun heb i chi sylweddoli.
Nominate now!
If you know anyone that you think you could nominate for any of the St David's Awards, please nominate now because it really does mean the world.